JINGXI HELI Lighting Electronic.
Hello?
Yes. Hi.
Hello. Nice to meet you here. Yeah, we are JINGXI HELI factory. Our main products are LED bulb and LED T8 glass tube. And now we export to many countries, such as also we export to Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and South America. So our main advantage is that we make the most of the parts by ourselves. For the LED bulb, we make the PC cover and the PPT cap, and also the driver inside we assemble by ourselves. And we make the package such as the color box and also carton box, and also the foam for the T8 glass tube. We all make this by ourselves. So our advantage is for this main parts we make by ourselves, and at the same time, we can make sure our quality is stable because we make the most of the parts. Mm-hmm. Now let's show with our introduction.
Okay.
Yeah, this is our factory. Our factory is located in Yichun City, Jing'an Town, near to Jiujiang Port and near to Nanchang Port. And to our factory, we can come from the Nanchang Airport and also Nanchang West Station. So our factory was founded in 1999. And we start to export the goods since 2005. We start at the beginning, we make the energy saving lamp. And from 2016, we start to make LED products. Sorry. Now we already make for this market. We can make the complete goods, and also we make SKD goods. This is our vacuum for export in 2019. This is our certificate for our export. We have the CB and the EMC CE for bulb and also for the T8 glass tube. So this is our advantage, as I said just now. We make the PPT cap, PC cover, and make the driver, and we make the package. We have the SMT machine and also automatic assembly line and the automatic packing line in our workshop. So because we already export for many years, we already have a good relationship with our customer and also with our suppliers. These products we actually is main products for like our A shape. This is the T8 glass tube. This one is G5. This base is G5 and this is G13. So this main product, this photo is for Brazil market, but for some other products like for example, for Thailand market, we also make this 0.6 meter and 1.2 meter. So we also make this T-shape bulb. This is my contact information. So our products actually is simple, only 3 items: LED bulb A shape and LED bulb T shape, and then T8 glass tube.
Yeah, your product is simple and clearly. I can know many information through your PPT, and I know your company has a huge quantity. You can produce like 500,000 pieces driver per day, right?
Yeah.
So you have like 120,000 square meters for your company. It's a huge company, and you are professional in research and development, and you have the good sales for your company. Oh, that's cool.
So we also have another good advantage because we are in the one small town. So most of our workers are local people. So we can work because with the stable workers, make sure the quality is stable, and also we can make enough capacity, production capacity, because our workers, we can work very late. Maybe, for example, Chinese New Year next time is in January, about 31 okay. January. So we can work until like 25 or 26. So we have enough days to make the goods. Not like the Guangdong factory. Maybe the workers want to go back home earlier.
Yes, this is a huge advantage because you have the stable workers, and you have the manufacturer has been worked for so many years. So yeah, and you have the very convenient location. So it's connected to the airport, easier to the Jiujiang port. Yes. So anything more you want to introduce to us?
I think it's okay now.
It's okay now.
If any customer have an interest in our products, welcome to our factory anytime. Because we every day, nearly every day we are working. Because maybe different workshop have the 1 day or 2 days off.
Okay. Yes. So do you have any requirements, minimal requirements for the orders, or?
Yeah, because we make the export goods, so we want our MOQ is 10,000 pieces for one item, and because if less than this quantity, it's not good for us to make the color box. Not easy for us to make the color box. Maybe the cost will be higher.
10,000 pieces, right?
For one item, yeah. And the total quantity we want 40 high-Q container.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. So I get your I know your certification from the point, and I know your products from your introduce. So basically, I know all the information I need from your presentation. Thank you so much, Miss Cloudy.
You're welcome.
Okay. So thank you, Miss Cloudy. So see you next time.
Okay. See you. Bye.
Bye. Thank you.